Hi everybody, Lisa here. So I just did a video of a painting, an 8 by 20 inch painting, and it's got like 22 different colors on it, and I had far too much paint for the painting, so I have all of this beautiful paint on my table. Since I don't do jewelry, I don't save skins or anything like that, I've decided to try to dip a canvas into this and see what I get. I've never done that before. I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't want to waste all this paint right here in case I get something really cool. If I don't, I can always paint over the canvas later on. So I don't even know where to begin. It's so beautiful. Let me try this and see what happens. Ooh, how cool. Now how do I do that middle part? Wow, this is incredible. Wow, I have cells coming up under this. I'm afraid to dip this anymore, so let's see what happens if I put some paint on here with my finger. Wow, this is so pretty. This is gorgeous. Just seeing in a couple of places I want to fill in. It's crazy the cells that are coming up on this too. Wow, I wish this was a canvas right here on the table. This is incredible. Dip these sides in and get these sides covered. Actually, I would recommend this to anybody that's just beginning paint pouring. Looks like I have all my sides covered. See a lot of cells coming up in there. I'm gonna hit this with my torch and see what happens. Hate to say goodbye to all this beautiful paint. Wow, that is incredible. It actually looks like leaves. Even the sides look amazing. Okay, I'm gonna have to say this one is beautiful. It's really successful. My first time doing a dip. I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you really liked it, hit the thumbs up button. I'll see you next time. Bye.